Hello everyone. Today we are going to see conditional statements. So first we will see if statement. If condition. So this is the syntax. If, here you will write your condition. If some block of your condition here, and if the condition is true, what has to be done? That code will be written here in this condition. So that's a simple syntax for your if condition. So we'll check it with the example now. For example, we will take a number and we will check if the number is even or odd. So let us take a number now. So I will take it in a num and I will take it from user. So prompt is a predefined function which is used to take anything from the user. So like confirm, same thing it will be. So I will say enter a number. Enter a number. This will be my prompt, and then we will check if that whatever the user is giving is coming in my variable or not. So for checking that, I will do console.log of my log. So that's it. Let's run this program. So see here, it is showing me the prompt which is enter a number. So for example, if I give 3 here and I say okay, so I can, you saw I got my, in my console I got that in my variable. That's why it is showing me that. So now I want to check if this number is true, odd number or even number. So I will write if the number is odd, then I will print. So what will be my condition? My condition will be num mod. Mod is a operator that gives you the reminder. So anything divisible by 2, if the remainder is 0, then it is a even number, correct? So here mod is doing the operation, that is it is dividing and giving the, this operation will give you the remainder mod. It will do the division and give you the remainder as a result. So if the remainder is equal to 0, then you can print is console.log. Simply I will say it's a even number. Divisible by 0 means it's a even number, correct? Or let's take a first condition as a 0. What if the user is entering a 0 number, which is neither a odd number nor a even number? Then in that case, I just want to say that you entered 0. You entered 0. That is what I want to check. If I whatever I am prompt, if I am writing, if I am giving a 0 input, then I want to show if the condition is 0, that is the entered number is 0, this condition is met, it is true, then you will show me this. So let's run this block of code. So I will print 0. So it is saying you entered 0. But what if I enter something else, some number? So it is not executing anything. So I have to give one more condition. So I can just say else, and in else part I will say, I will just print the number whatever they have entered. So num. So I will give this in template literals. You entered num. For now I will just show it like that. So if I have entered 0, then you entered 0. If I am entering any other number other than 0, then it is telling me what I have entered. But now I don't want to do that. I want to check if the entered number, whatever I am entering, is a even number or a odd number, right? So I will write conditions accordingly. So if it is a 0, I want to say 0 cannot be even or odd, right? You cannot do multiplication. So I will just say enter any number, enter valid number, I guess. Enter valid number. Else if, again I want to check a condition, right? So I will not give else now, I will give else if. Else if, again a condition. So num mod 2. This time I am checking the number entered is not 0, then go to this condition and check the second condition. If it is true, 0 equal to 0, then console.log, it's a even number. Okay. Else at the end, if it is not a even number and if it is not 0, then directly you don't have to check the condition. You can directly say it's a it is a odd number. Correct? So let's check if that is happening. I will not give this part for now. Let's check if that is working. So if I enter 0, it will say enter a valid number. If I give a odd number, sorry, even number, it is saying it's a even number. But what if I give a odd number? It is not doing anything. So I will have to give one more statement. So I will give as what we have given previously. So else you type it's a odd number. So see, if I am typing any number, it's a even number. If I type any odd number, even number, it is saying it's a even number. And if I type 0, then it is showing me enter a valid number. So all three conditions we are checking. So there is a simple syntax that you have to check. So the syntax is if, and if you want to check only one condition, you can write only this much of code. Or if you want to just check two conditions, then you can write only if and else and your code here. Okay. Your code here. If this condition is true, perform this code, else perform this. If you have more conditions, then you will check first condition, then you will give one more else if, and you will check your condition 2 in the block of code, and else at the end, if both the conditions are not met, then perform this code. So that is the simple operator, else if conditions that you can check.